Hi. Now let's do another question, question number 7 of the same type, paragraph completion. Now here if you read the paragraph, you identify that the second sentence is the key sentence of the paragraph. Now the question arises why the second sentence is the key sentence of the paragraph. Because it starts with the word but. Now remember, words which express contradictory ideas like but, however, yet, still, nevertheless. Such words are helpful in identifying the key sentence of a paragraph. The paragraph starts with saying, some people dislike texting, some are bemused by it, but it is merely the latest manifestation of the human ability to be linguistically creative and to adopt language to suit the demands of diverse settings. So it is very clear that it starts with the general notion that people have about texting. He starts by saying people dislike texting, and then he says but, which means he is giving an opinion which is opposite to the general opinion of people, and that opinion here is texting is the human manifestation by which human can be linguistically creative. So the key idea here is texting is linguistic creativity and adopting language to suit the diverse demands. So from this it is clear that the subject is general, which is looking at texting as language. Now therefore, if you look at the options, there are two options which you can easily eliminate. The first one, which is talking about computer games, which is irrelevant to what is being discussed. Then third option C, which is talking about children and their usual errors in spellings. So option A and option C are easily eliminated. Now there is a possibility that you may get confused between the option B and option D. Now if you look at the option B, which says texting is being sensitive to the communicative needs of your textees. Now textees means those who send your text. Now this paragraph is not only about those who send text. It is talking about the language that is used in text. It is not about those who send text. It is about the language that is used. So B option is eliminated. Okay, which changes the focus of the paragraph. Now if you look at the D statement clearly says texting is language in evolution, and therefore D is the answer because it is in line with the key idea.